Alright, how's it going, YouTube? Out with the Arrma Infraction. Just gonna do some test hits and some classes on 4S. Just want to try out the wing. It is pretty windy today too. The crash bumper I put on. And let's test it out. So y'all stay tuned. Alright, guys. See how she's running. Bumper look good though. Remember, this is 4S, y'all. Just doing some passes. I want to see if the bumper, I need to raise the car up or anything. Oh, ain't no scraping. I get that wing. I'm gonna definitely get a speed run in. As I said, one of my 6S packs are dead, so I gotta run 4S for now. Shout out to RC Speed Monsters again, man. I noticed on my last speed run, the air doesn't get up in the body like it was before, so I was able to break over 100. I think off video I hit 106, on video I hit 103. So I'm gonna definitely get it back out though. Y'all stay tuned when I get some better 6S's. She running though. She looking planted too. Nice and straight. Looks good. I'm gonna put the new body up there, but I'm gonna wait till next season. If not, I'll probably buy another body and paint it over. Put my color up there. I did like the orange, it did pop though. Sorry about the wing, guys. Got some old beat up foams on there, so. Hopefully y'all seeing that. I had messed with the camera. One more hit and then we're gonna call it a wrap, guys. Battery sound like it's dead. Got a little spectators down there. Alright guys, we're gonna call it a wrap. I'm sure the phone is definitely ate up now, but yeah, it seems everything is working out. Let me show y'all underneath, see if it's scraped up. I know I got the car pretty low. Yeah, sure, it definitely did scrape up, but that's for me with my car being so low, how I got it set up. Anyway, she ran good. Definitely balled the foam tires in the rear. The front got a little bit of meat left. Anyway, guys, I hope y'all enjoy it. I'm gonna give y'all a little walk around of it. Walk around, it's dirty, man. Look at all that tire smoke. We gotta definitely get that new body. It look good. Definitely like that crash bumper. I nearly put it to use just now. Alright, guys, stay tuned. Next up is gonna be the Exceed. I did do some changes to that, and then the Creighton, or should I say the Creighton and then the Exceed. We'll see.